Did you know that you can color code your opportunities inside of your pipelines in HighLevel using smart tags? Smart tags are a great way to organize opportunities based on a couple of different fields. So today I'll show you exactly how you can configure your smart tags and see them inside of your pipelines right inside of your opportunity section. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Now this is what our opportunities look like without smart tags. They're kind of dull, there's not much color to them, and it can be kind of difficult to see the information that you need to see on your pipelines. In order to set up smart tags, just go to Pipelines at the top of your screen. Then under the pipeline that you're using, you can go all the way over to the right and click Edit. And then you'll see two screens here, Stages and Smart Tags. This is where we can add our smart tags to our pipelines. Now there's already some pre-built tags. If we click select pre-built tags, we can see high value, new lead, unassigned deal, hot deal, a couple of examples that can work for smart tags and what would make sense. But for this case, let's go ahead and create a smart tag from scratch. So when you click add smart tag, you can add things like the label name. Let's say we're going to do a high value tag. You can add a description, which will be shown on the tag on the pipeline itself, on the opportunity itself. Then you can pick a color. So for this case, we'll do green, and then you can select if you want to apply it to all pipelines. So you can select specific tags to apply to one pipeline or multiple pipelines in order to keep things organized across different opportunity pipelines. Then you can add rules. So the way that these work is you can select a rule between status, owner, followers, last stage change date, last status change date, the date they were created on, updated on, won on, lost on, the opportunity value, source, campaign type, and pipeline stage. So there's lots of customization that you can do here. For a really easy use case, you can select opportunity value and say if the opportunity value is greater than 500, then we will mark this as high value, and then we can click save. So once your smart tag is created, you can navigate back to opportunities, and either A, you'll already see the smart tag on your opportunity if the card is already configured to include smart tags. As we can see here, there is our high value tag. Or if you're not seeing the tag, all you have to do is click manage fields at the top right, and then you can scroll down here and make sure that you have on the opportunity itself. You can click manage fields, and then you'll see smart tags right here. If this isn't checked, then you can look up the field here by simply searching up smart. Then you'll find it under other details. Just make sure smart tags is turned on, click apply, and then you will see it applied to your opportunities inside of your opportunity pipeline. Again, when we go back to pipelines, you can see there's lots of great use cases for these smart tags, and you can find some good ones from simply the pre-built tags. We can also click just create new, and then we'll see our pre-built tags here. And then you can see under your select from pre-built tags, we have our high value one, new lead. These ones are really helpful, especially if you need to get on top of leads very quickly. And so all you have to do is select one of the pre-built tags that you think will work for your use case. Make sure your rule is set up. So this rule is created on in the last 3 days. You can click save, and then back in your pipeline, you can immediately see how having these color-coded tags on your opportunities themselves can help immensely with keeping things organized and seeing exactly which opportunities you need to stay on top of, manage, and move accordingly. These smart tags are an amazing way to keep things organized in your pipeline, so feel free to try them out today inside of your HighLevel sub account. As always, if you have any questions about smart tags, feel free to check out the rest of the blog. My name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.